Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download any kind of research articles, paid journals, very paid or unpaid journals. So in this video, we'll be knowing there is a online platform, namely GLibrary. There, uh, there will be both options. You can download any kind of books you are interested in, or any kind of research articles, whether it's a paid journal or unpaid journal, then you can download easily. So as you can see, there will be a lot of options on that this site. You can you can make advanced settings here, like year wise, from in which year you want that journal, and in which year the book got published. You can set the settings, advanced settings there, given there, according to your convenience, according to your needs. So here I'm going to search books, or no, here I'm going to show you how to download articles. So here I just searched articles related to my area of research. It's a neuroscience. So as you can see, a lot of articles are coming up. So here one more things, like I need to change that match or phrase or match words. uh, I need to set the advanced setting first, then okay, here we go. Okay, see, options are there, like see, you can see full books or articles. So we are searching for articles now. I have made another video, there you can find how to download books, the same site, GLibrary. So from there I will select a random article which I want to download. See, you can see the option is there, PDF option. Even you can send it to Kindle even. Okay, so the article is ready to download. So here we go. Once you click on the PDF downloading option, it will get downloaded easily. Okay, see, yeah, we have downloaded. So okay, some problem is there, so I will okay, now okay, it gets started downloading. Yeah, it got downloaded. Now we'll go through the article which I have downloaded. See, this is the article from a paid journal. Okay, see, the whole article I have downloaded. It's really interesting site. You can search articles related to your area of research, or mostly this site is made for books, especially any kind of books you can get it here. Or sometimes if you if you are looking for articles, this site also helpful for downloading articles. So here I'll go with another title, not neuroscience, something else. I'll show you directly in any kind of journal. Like if you are want to download a article from a particular journal, that is also possible. You have to write that journal name, then you have to search, you have to go to the journal, and then you can download. So here I'm just searching British Journal of Learning Disability. So it didn't come because um, I didn't put it in a proper way, I guess. Oh yeah, just wait for a minute. Now it is ready. Then I'll go to search button. See here, we have I have logging into the journal. Now you will get all the articles from this particular journal, British Journal of Learning Disability. See, so whichever journal you put it here, it will come automatically. It will show the articles related to that particular journal. So I will download an article from this site. See, it will take you directly to the PDF downloading options. Okay, here, go to started downloading. So it got downloaded. I'll go this now. See, it's a paid journal. Okay, it's not. You can't access the journal without paying money. So see how easy. This site gives access to the paid journals. It's not illegal. Yeah, you might have thinking like it's illegal. Like how can somebody download any article without paying? So it is not illegal. You can download any number of articles from this site. Okay, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.